की रिस्पेक्टेड संजीव पवारी जी फ्रॉम कनेक्टिकट यूएसए, और इनके पश्चात दास विनती कर दे इंद्रपाल जी और साथी कोंकणी गीत कल्याण से ये महात्मा इंद्रपाल जी और साथी वो भी इनके पश्चात तैयार रहे। साथ संगत जी प्यार से कहिए धानंका जी।
संत जनानो प्रेमा ने बोला धानंका जी। साथ संगत, it's such a wonderful occasion today. I landed here yesterday, and I should say the time I boarded the flight, or before that, when I booked the ticket, rather I should go back when the dates were announced. Sat Sangat, the experience which I am having and the wait that when I'll go to Mumbai and attend this Samagam, Sat Sangat, each second, each minute was well worth it. Thank you, Babaji. Thank you so much for everything, whatever you are doing. Thank you once again. Avtarwani says, हर पल शुक्र करो इस रब दा, खुशहाली या तंगी ये, कड़ी सुहानी बीत रही, जो आवेगी चंगी ये. Satsangat, I'm reminded of a story wherein an industrialist, a very rich man, he went to the church and he started talking to his pastor, the father, and he started complaining that, Father, I have so much of business, I have so much of money, but I'm not getting time. And he started talking about whatever grievances he has. The list goes on, and Father stops him. He says, wait a second, I'm so sorry. I heard your wife had a cancer and she passed away. And the man says, no, Father, you must be mistaken. My wife is well, she's healthy, she's accompanying me, she's sitting outside. And then Father says, oh, I'm sorry. I think I heard about the accident which you had for the Rolls Royce which you bought last month. And he said, no, sorry, Father, you're mistaken again. I bought a Rolls Royce, but it never met with an accident. In fact, I drove that car. And then, saints, he said, and I remember about the industry which you just installed, which just came up, and I heard it caught fire, and that man, he got a pointer. He immediately got that shaken, that this father is trying to point to, and he said, Father, I'm so sorry. I'm blessed with so many bounties, and I'm just concerned about small grievances. Sat Sangat, I was comparing this story to mine, that Babaji has given so many Sat Sangat limitless bounties to me, and I keep complaining about small things. Babaji, there was another story which I heard. There was a lady and she was in a hospital and doctors were trying to treat her. She was well conscious, and she was saying, oh, I'm feeling itch. There was a feeling of itch, and she was not able to scratch her itch, and doctors were trying to help her, nurses were trying to help her. Doctor touched her back and they asked her, do you think the itch is coming from here? And she said, no, itch is still coming, but I don't know where it is coming from. Satsangat nurses started scratching her hands, her arms, and this lady was so restless. She said, no, I'm not able to identify where the itch is coming from. Satsangat, he said, we should be thankful even if we are able to identify, even if we are able to recognize where the itch is coming from, and if we are able to scratch our itch. Satsangat, दास बाबा जी का बहुत बाबा जी आपका एहसान है, और अक्सर दास कहता है कि एहसान जो कीते पूरे सदगुर बदला नहीं चुका सकता, कहे अवतार गुरु दा कर्जा जन्म नहीं ला सकता. साथ संगत, एज ए गुरसिख, one and only duty which I have कि गुरसिख दा बस इना कर्तव्य आपा अर्पण कर देवे, कहे अवतार गुरु दा कम है, खाली चोली पर देवे. बाबा जी आपके छोटे से बच्चे हैं, कृपा करना अपने चरणों से ऐसे ही जोड़े रखना. साथ संगत जी प्यार से कहना
धन्यकार जी. साथ संगत, बहुत ही शुभ भाव हमने इस महात्मा से श्रवण किए। बड़ी हैरानी होती है, स्पेशली वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज, यूएस, यूके, कनाडा, यूरोपियन कंट्रीज, जहां पर हम नौजवानों से कुछ और की उम्मीद करते हैं, लेकिन आज ये बाबा जी की कृपा है कि हमारे जो कोई भी मिशन से, सदगुरु बाबा जी के ज्ञान से, इनकी शिक्षाओं से जो नौजवान जुड़ गया है, इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ कंट्री, वो कहीं पर भी विचरण करे, साथ संगत वो इस निराकार से जुड़कर इन्हीं की शिक्षाओं को आधार बना के अपना जीवन जीता है।